Hello, everyone. This is Keith Jackson, and welcome to Jack's Math Notebook. Right now, you're looking at the second video in a series of 3 videos related to how to translate algebraic expressions. We're going to continue with our understanding of addition and subtraction as it relates to translating algebraic expressions. And on this side, we have subtraction problems. And on the other side, on the right side, we have addition problems. And we're going to compare and contrast to deepen our understanding of what translating algebraic expressions mean. All right, and so with that in mind, let's look at 8 decreased by a number, or 8 decreased by a number x, or a number p, or a number q. We just simply write 8 first, and then subtract that letter or that number from it. So now we have 8 minus x in this particular example, and let's compare that to this statement in which it says a number decreased by 8. We're going to put that number first, and we're going to subtract 8 from it, just like we have right here, x minus 8. Now let's take a look at the second row to compare and contrast, in which we have in our first example, a number increased by 12. Guess what? That number, we're going to put represented as n plus 12, or n increased by 12. And so again, that's what you have right here. That is n increased by 12, or n plus 12. And on the other hand, 12 increased by a number, we're just going to put that 12 out front, and then we're going to add n to it. So 12 plus n. And let's go to our third subtraction example, in which we have the difference between p and 5. Yes, you guessed it, p goes first, minus 5. P minus 5, the difference between p and 5 will be illustrated right here as a numerical expression. Now let's go and compare that to this one, in which we have the difference between 5 and p, and we're going to put 5 out front, 5 minus p, because 5 is stated first in this particular expression. Let's move on to the addition side, in which we're going to compare and contrast statements. And so right here, we have the sum of a number h and 40. And again, we're just going to put that h out front, plus 40, h plus 40. That's what this statement means. And on the other hand, the sum of 40 and a number, and we're going to put the 40 out front, plus h. And let's go on to our second row of examples right here, in which we have the sum of 6 times a number and 4. We're just going to get a little bit deeper here. So 6 times a number will be represented as 6 and a letter, or 6x, for example, and plus 4. So the sum of 6 times a number and 4, 6x plus 4 right here. And here it is on the other hand, the sum of 4 and 6 times a number. So we're going to put the 4 out front, 4 plus 6x. And let's look at this bottom row right here, in which we have 15 subtracted from 9 times a number. Okay, so 15 taken away from 9 times a number. We're going to put that 9b, or that 9x, or that 9p out front, minus 15. And then let's look at this example, in which we have 9 times a number c subtracted from 20. Okay, so 9 times a number c, that's going to be taken away from 20. And so we're going to have to put the 20 out front, 20 minus 9c. All right, you have been given a lot of information, quite a few examples to look at, and I wouldn't blame you if you need to pause the video and just give everything a once-over so you can process it, or replay this video as many times you need to gain a deeper understanding of how to translate algebraic expressions as it relates to addition and subtraction. But in the meantime, please comment, share, like, and subscribe to Jack's Math Notebook for more content. Thank you, and goodbye.